this financial scheme of the Honorable Governor. This is his personal fund and he has been distributing it for cancer and dialysis patients and to several other institutions. I just want to say that till now, 3.5 years, he has given away 6.21 crores to all these institutions and cancer and dialysis patients. And today he is going to hand over a check of 1 lakh to this institution. So I would request Sister Victoria and Sister Vijaya to please come forward and accept this check.
Was started by Sister Christabel and a small group of sisters and dedicated volunteers in the year 2007. The aim of this establishment is to look after disadvantaged young girls between the age of 6 to 18 years. Our objective is to make them self-sufficient, independent, career-oriented, and with good values. Many of our girls have gone into society as young, capable women, transformed into responsible citizens and working in different fields. Example, ground staff at airport, front office in cruise ships, tailor in band, special educator, office admin, lecturer in a college. We now have 12 girls and we look forward with renewed hope that with the help of society, we will be able to shape many young lives favorably. We thank you, Honorable Governor, for visiting our home and interacting with our young girls. Your interest in our welfare has touched our hearts and strengthened our commitments. We also thank all our well-wishers and patrons for their love, support and generosity.
3.5 years that he has been here in Goa. Now this financial assistance is under the Governor's fund. It is a personal fund of the Governor and he has been distributing this amount which has been coming every year to hundreds of people. This is going to dialysis and cancer patients. More than 2,000 cancer and dialysis patients have benefited from this fund. And there are scores of other NGOs, institutions, child and women and elderly institutions with the elderly people, also mentally disabled people are being taken care of. So more than 6 crores of rupees has been distributed over the last 3.5 years by the Honorable Governor for this very, very noble cause. And today he has started this journey. He would like to visit many more institutions which we have not covered in the past, and therefore we decided to start once again with Matruchaya, so well known and so known for its great work which it is doing for the children and boys and girls and also the elders. So today we are here to distribute financial assistance to Matruchaya MAPSA. So I would request Honorable Governor to please hand over a check of rupees 1 lakh to the trust of Matruchaya.
Governor, does anybody know how many times he has come to the village of Parra? This is his 3rd time, and never in history as a governor, forget about once, but 3 times he has come to our very own village, and we have to pour our hearts out to sir for coming, not only coming but giving a lending hand. एक आधार आमच्या गरीब लोकांक तशेंच कोणाक गरज आसा तांकां हुई ना हुई तो पावलो ग्रासरूट लेवलाचेर येवन. आयज म्हाका दिसता गोंयभर तशेंच देशभर सरान एक प्रेसिडेंट सेट केल्लो आसा. ही हॅज सेट द बार व्हेरी हाय फॉर द फ्युचर गव्हर्नर हू इज गोइंग टू कम इन टू गोवा. कारण आमी सराक पळोवन म्हणूंक शकता की तो आमचोच फॅमिलीचो म्हणून. He is like our own family member today. because he has reached out to those who actually need it. जे कॅन्सराच्या रोगाक सापडलेले आसा, whoever are suffering from dialysis, kidney patients, आयज ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनाचे भुरगीं जे आयज एड्युकेशनाक तांकां गरज आसता, डे टू डे इव्हेंट्स तशेंच डे टू डे फंक्शनिंग ऑफ दिस इन्स्टिट्यूशन, सिस्टर क्रिस्टोबेल्स ट्रस्ट, तांकां जे गरज आसता, सरान आपणाच्या फंडांसून पयशे मोडून हुय ना हुय तांकां आमच्या गांवान, पोर्रा गांवान आयज म्हाका कितलीशीच महिला तशेंच आमचे वडील तशेंच यूथ आयज दिश्टी पडटा. कित्याक सरा खातीर तुमी येयल्ले आसा, बिकॉज यू ऑल हॅव लव फॉर हिम. सर, दे हॅव कम बिकॉज दे हॅव लॉट्स ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट अँड लव फॉर यू अँड दे वॉन्ट यू टू कंटिन्यू दिस गुड वर्क and because they have never seen it, and I myself as Sarpanch of village Panchayat Parra has never seen a governor.
A proud moment, I'm sure, for the people behind this very important structure that we are here to witness today. I'm so glad to know that within such a short period, you all have acquired and established yet another premises for the beautiful work that is done for the young girls. I am happy and proud to say that this organization headed in Mapsa by Sarita and Geeta, along with all their members, you can just by being here you can understand how many hearts and how many women they have touched. And there is no better way than empowering women than being headed by two very strong, independent women. I am glad to be here to witness the growth of Matrushaya, and I assure my continuous support that goes without saying, but also to be able to achieve the vision that was established 49 years ago. Like it was rightly said earlier, in 49 years it took so much of hard work and perseverance to get to where this institute has reached today. And over the last couple of years you can see how that is accelerating. And I'm happy to say that with the right kind of people heading the trust, anything is possible. I'm sure that every person that you all take care of is eternally grateful for the kind and loving support shown by the institute and everybody that works here to take care of these young girls.
आमचे गोंय आणि केरला जो सराचो गांव हे रिझेंबल जाता. हे आमी सदांच म्हणटा, हिंगासून केरला वचत जाल्यार आमच्या गोंया भाशेनूच आहा. ग्रीनरी ऑल अराउंड, हिल्स, दे हॅव fields, water, rivers and the beach. थिंगासरले लोक आणि हिंगासरले लोक सारखे शांतिकायेचे. They all love each other. Today we have a very simple, humble person who became the governor of Goa. Pillai came to Goa, understood Goa, Goans, and he broke the records of all the other past governors. He said, I will take the governor's palace to the doorsteps of the people. And this is what His Excellency has delivered and done to the people of Goa. Honorable MLA Delilah has spoken about he going to all the villages, giving checks to the needy, people suffering from cancer, whoever's kidney ailments, for dialysis and other required medication. Very small checks were given to them. आता तो पोत्तून अनेकदा बाहेर सरला. जितके अनाथ आश्रम आहा, होम फॉर द होमलेस, मदर ट्रिजा रोजीस असले आनी कितलेशेच हा गोंयांत तांकां कितें तरी गरज आसतली आनी तेजो डिस्क्रिशनरी पावर जो आहा जो तो चेक सँक्शन करूंक शकता हिंगासर आमच्या पोर्रान येवन 1 लाखाची चेक तो आयज तांकां दिवपाक येयल्लो आहा आनी तेणे ह्या संस्थेक आपल्या ऑफिसान आपोवंक ना आपल्या ऑफिसान आपोवन दिवंक जाताली तो खुद घेवन तो आपलो मोग दाखोवपा खातीर आपूण खालतो जावन आपूण सकयलो मनीस जावन आमचे भाशेंतलो एक सादारण मनीस जावन तो थिंगासून पालासीनसून आमच्या विलेजीन येयलो आमच्या क्रिस्टिबल ट्रस्टान येयलो आनी भुरग्यांक मेळलो इंटरॅक्ट केलें अंडरस्टँड केलें तुमी शिकता वा शिकना बरे स्कुलान आहा सगळें तेणें आयकून घेतलें आनी तो हे बरें काम करपा खातीर हिंगा विलेजीन येयलो तशेंच तो म्हापसा एक संस्थेन गेल्लो तशेंच आनीक खूंय खूंय तेजे प्रोग्राम आहा फुडें थिंगा वयतलो जे अशें चिंतप दिस इज आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकींग अशे खूब कमी लोक आमच्या इंडियेक आसा आमच्या गोंयान आसा खूब कमी गव्हर्नर म्हणजे कितें ते येतात 5 वर्सां तेंचो टर्म आहा और कितलो 3 इयर्स टर्म आहा 4 इयर्स टर्म आहा ते येता पालासीन आहा ते आपले वॉट एवर इज हॅपनिंग इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा दे रिपोर्ट टू द सेंटर what needs to be done or they only give suggestions पण तेजे भायर वचोन तेणे गव्हर्नर कितें करूंक शकता गोंयच्या लोकां खातीर कितें करूंक शकता आयडियाज कशे दिवंक शकता गव्हर्नमेंटाक कसो गायड करूंक शकता खूंय कितें रॉंग आहा जाल्यार तांकां कितें सांगूंक शकता हे सगळीं कामां ऑनरेबल हिज एक्सलन्सीन करून दाखयल्ली आहा गोंयांत ह्या तेजे टेन्युअरान आनी म्हाका दिसता अशें पयले फावट जें जालां हे फुडें जावचें म्हणजे श्रीधरन पिल्लय हिंगासून आनी खूंय वयतलो गव्हर्नर थिंगा करतलो पण जो मनीस नेवो येतलो तेणे म्हाका दिसता पालासीनसून भायरूच सरोन आमच्या विलेजींनी गोंयचे विलेजींनी 186 विलेजीस जे आहा आमच्या गोंयांत थिंगा वचोन खऱ्यांनीच लोकांचें दुख्ख सजमोवपाची गरज आहा हे पयले फावटी जालां त्या खातीर हांव मान बागोवन आय बाव डावन बिफोर यू सर that the great work what you have done for the people of Goa and the people of Goa and the generations to come will not forget this, will always keep it in their mind that a governor came from Kerala state and he understood Goans and what the Goans want. They don't want, they only want your love, they only want your kindness, that what you have shown to us today will always be remembered and will be written in the books of history in the future days to come.
Distinguished and my dear friends, I took charge as the governor of this great state in 2021. Thereafter, I had occasion to visit almost all places. And the details regarding the steps taken by Raj Bhavan, its details are already given to you by our special officer. What prompted me to come here or such places is the basic commitment of the Constitution of India. Who is supreme? The question. As a lawyer, I said solicitor of the High Court of Kerala. When I had occasion to go through the various provisions of Constitution, its mandate is that, its declaration is that the people are supreme. Ministers, governor, MLAs, because we are all serving you. We are bound to serve you. And for that purpose, of course, Raj Bhavan stood in isolation, according to me, in Mizoram, a land of mountains. I travelled throughout the mountain areas there. And I think that the people, ordinary people, dedicated people, People are good at heart. They are not getting their due share. Gandhiji in 1947, of course, Goa in 1961 got freedom. When India got freedom in 1947, the chief architect of our freedom struggle, Mahatma Gandhiji, everybody was celebrating it in Delhi in a happy mood, was away 2000 kilometers away from Delhi in the villages, and he declared that the village people, they are the Atma of this country. A real development is from the village people. So India lives in villages, what was the declaration? And that is why he was working on that particular day also among the Bengal village people, and declared that the last person in the queue for development is getting minimum things, then only my freedom will be the real freedom. That was declared by our father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. So that is why Raj Bhavan, of course I am very happy to say that one Govan, once upon a time he was a major leader here, now occupying the position of Kerala governor in my state at Trivandrum, and I am a person from Kerala holding the post of governor here. Arlekar is the governor of Kerala now. When he visited our Raj Bhavan about 3 years back, while he was releasing one of the books written by me, he told the entire nation that Goa Raj Bhavan is not a Raj Bhavan as such, but it is a Lok Bhavan. Now everywhere, wherever I am going, I have been introduced as this Raj Bhavan, not Lok Bhavan's representative. That changed because of the grace of God. I had occasion to do something here. And the details of 3 years scheme. Anyway, during the last 6 months, I was not traveling much. And today I am starting again, going to the institutions like this, serving the God they are doing. They dedicated their entire life for God. And how you can realize God? Through service to the people. And that is why sister narrated what was her experience in Mumbai. Mumbai, such institutions are more now. Throughout India, we can see more. But in Goa also, per capita income wise, Mr. Loboji, the Goa is the richest state in India. Per capita income wise, it is in the top. So we can, people, of course, at the grace of the God, we got so many facilities.
And the hill area, islands also, Mr. Marvardhan was always with me at that time. During the last 3 years, we do it. Serve the people. 400 plus villages. So serve the people. And our discretion fund also mainly used for this purpose. As a governor, I am not taking anything from that. Such atmosphere now Raj Bhavan created, and that is why the present Kerala governor is from Goa. He stated that this is Goa, not Raj Bhavan, Lok Bhavan. So I am very happy to hear that. And these children also, and one by one, they are inviting to Raj Bhavan. Some children, they are more suffering. The SAIDs and other things are there. At that time I invited them. Again I am thinking to invite them for a lunch with me. In that way we will trying our level best to make these people also will be happy. Old age home also I am visiting hereafter.
So when we talk about Goa's history, how do you see, sir? there's so much of struggle previously it is there and then now.
Goan people are good at heart, and there is no Sangarsha atmosphere is there. People are all cordially, heart-to-heart relationship is there, and developing. And in India, per capita income is concerned, Goa is in the top. So many schemes are there that the administrative setup they are doing it, and I'm very happy that peace-loving people, God-fearing people, and the cordial relationship between various religions are a very important factor. And in India, from the inception of the present Goa itself, there is common civil codes. For all citizens, equal laws are there in civil also. That's the equality. In other places, where people are fighting each other. Here it is not.
So you spoke about the faith percentage compared to other countries, but then in India we see off late there's a lot of disturbance going on. Or
No, that is why nobody study. You can also go spend some time. Each country you can get all these details. That is why I authoritatively stated here that even 1% people are not there. So that is why I use the word God fearing. That tradition is there. This is a traditional country coming up, and the Vishwaguru, not for conquering any other country, but for the well-being of the people. India, our Bharat, is now leading the entire world under the banner of Dharma. That is